Greetings. Tell me something. If you know, say something connect with demon, you da take part in it. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, do it now, no? Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we are going to read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthians, them, chapter 10, from verse 14 to verse 22. So, my good friend, no worship no false God. Run from them sitting there. Me I talk to no like people where have sense. So, judge what me I say for yourself. The cup where we use when we have Lord's Supper and where we give God thanks for. When we drink from it, when I take part in our Jesus Christ did do for we, when him blood bleed out upon the cross. And when we broke the bread, and we take part in our body too. So, I ungle one bread about, and all of we turn one body when the whole of we eat the bread there. Look upon the Jew them. When them a born sacrifice give God, the one them will give the sacrifice, they name some of the food too. And when they name it, and I show them and show say them and God are one. When you think me I try to say, when you think say me I say that the food where them born give sacrifice to the false God them, what nothing? Or say the false God them where them a give the sacrifice to a real something? No. When me I say that the people them will no believe in a God, born sacrifice, give demon, them now born it give God. And if you go nyam the food there, I like you say that you and the demon them are one. And me no want if you have nothing to do with no demon. You can't drink from the Lord cup and I drink from demon cup too. And you can't nyam at the Lord table and then go nyam at the demon table. And mad do not try to make God mad. Uno think say uno stronger than him. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.